Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Ninth Gaming, and today I'm going to show you how to play on your mobile device on a PS4 and Xbox One controller.
Alright, so right here I got a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and now all we got to do to connect the controller to the phone is turn the controller on, hold this button right here, and it's going to start blinking. Once it starts blinking, go to Bluetooth, and it should pop out. Right, it's right here. So now it's pairing. Alright, so now it's going to ask for pairing request. Just press OK. So now just go to the game you want to play, like Call of Duty. Let's go to Call of Duty. Alright, so I'm on Call of Duty now, and you see how it's moving.
We've taken the lead.
So yeah, this works. And you can also do this with an iPhone, but I'm using my iPhone to record this right now, so I have to do it on my Samsung. Okay. Alright, so you get the point. Alright, so now let's try the PlayStation 4 controller. Alright, so for the PlayStation 4 controller, all you gotta do is hold the home button and the share button at the same time until it starts blinking. See how it's blinking now? And it's right here. Now I do the same thing you did for the Xbox. Press OK. And now it's connected. So what you want to do, go to the game you want. Which, let's do Call of Duty again. Alright, so there, Call of Duty is loaded up, and you see how I'm moving. The control settings is a little weird on this, but I'm pretty sure you can fix it by going to the settings.
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
But yeah, you see how it works. I don't know why I can't look around, but I'm pretty sure you can fix it on the settings of Call of Duty. Let's try Fortnite, because it's not working real good for Call of Duty. Oh, never mind. Fortnite has an update, and I'm updating it right now on my Xbox. So yeah, but pretty sure you can fix it. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's really alright. That will be it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, this works with an iPhone and Android. Alright, hopefully it works for you guys. If it don't, comment below and let me know. Peace. Alright, I was editing the video, and something I forgot to mention was when I was making my top 5 albums of 2019, I should have mentioned Stupid Young and Shoreline Mafia. Their albums were really cool. But yeah. Oh, and I finally finished my room. Hold on, let me show you real quick. Yeah, that didn't take that long, but yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.